Cranial nerve 12 is the hypoglossal nerve, and it's very simple. It is a motor nerve, and motor only. It innervates the intrinsic and extrinsic muscles of the tongue. And this is the tongue in all of its glory. And the intrinsic muscles are the ones that allow the tongue to change shape, to roll up in a tube if you happen to be able to do that, and it gives the tongue shape. The extrinsic muscles of the tongue are the ones that move it around in the oral cavity. And by working together, then you're able to speak and move food around in your mouth for chewing and all of those good things. So muscles of the tongue are important. In this image, I'd like to show you the course of the hypoglossal nerve. It exits the skull through the hypoglossal foramen, and then it comes forward and inferiorly, so anterior and inferior, and goes just around here. Here it is, right underneath, right next to my pointer. It comes across the carotids, and then it kind of skirts the submandibular gland, and then it dives under the mandible and into the oral cavity and comes up through underneath to innervate those muscles, intrinsic and extrinsic muscles of the tongue. In the next segment, we'll talk about the spinal accessory nerve, cranial nerve 11.